Okay, this here is an example of mail merge with grouping different rows into one page or letter. So we could see here we have a loan number, but I was able to group all the different payments into one page. This could be useful in terms of you don't want to send somebody many letters, but you can send them one letter with all the payments in one page. This here is the data. So you would see here I have Jim Jones, the loan number here, and you see here Jim Jones made another payment with the same loan number, but with different amounts on different dates as well. You also have Kathy, and she made payments on 2 different days, and I was able to get it back in one letter using a mail merge. So how I went about doing this is first you select your list. Well, I already have the list selected, but you select your list. This here was the database list for the demonstration that I use. Open it, select it, right? The next thing you have to do for this to work is you click on edit list, and you must sort the list by a key. The key that I used was loan number. If you want, you could sort by customer name. That's if all your customers don't have the same name, but I had loan number. So you sort by ascending or descending based on how you want the data to present itself on the mail merge. So you see, as I sort loan number, Jim Jones is now in order, Kathy is now in order as well, so that when it looks for the next record, which will be this year, it'll pull it into it. So it's basically, that's more or less how the code is. It will keep looking into the next record until it pulls all of them into one file. Okay, right, so this is here is okay. Jim Henderson, right, and Jim Jones. It pulled all of Jim Jones records here. The only fault with this is that you just have to negate the next following document in email merge. But it also here pull Kathy, but you just have to negate the next following document. So the code to do this is, first what you will have to do is hold down Alt and F9, and that will give you access here to the mail merge, the merge field codes, where you can be able to enter the code. This here is more or less the code for the first field, merge description. It gets the description, which I have it here, the description. This here is more concatenated a few fields, like the date of the payment, the method of the payment, and the receipt number, right? So that is my description. So merge the description, and then set is to set the variable, just like in any programming language. You have in JavaScript, you might have let, or in but this is how I set the variable. So I set LID for loan ID 1, and loan ID, and I assign the field loan number into this variable here, LID 1. Then I did a next if will look at the next record in the mail merge, and if it is equal to LID1, set a new variable LID2 in that field, and then I do a comparison. LID1 equal LID2, and if LID1 equal LID2, print out the description, else print nothing. This little here is print nothing, right? And I only want to print out the value as well. If LID1 equal LID2, print payment amount. When you're done with that, then you set LID1 to equal the merge field loan number. Now if you want to get more, if you have more than 2 records, you can just repeat this same code here into the next line. To get more than to get additional records for your mail merge, all you just need to do is add this line here again to the row. Okay, just one note: if you would like to get it to be continuous based on the number of records that you have, you would have to continue this particular statement over and over. You can probably make about 10. In this case I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and end it with this. That'll possibly be the final row, and should get this circle 23. These are the payments that Jim Jones made. These 3 payments. Yeah, you will get the extra rows. Yeah, you get the extra rows, but you know that is what it is. But yeah, so if you want more rows, think you might have more payments or more duplicate fields, just keep adding more rows and add this line of code over and over, right? Yeah, so I added another record of Jim Jones just to show you all an example if you need it to do it more than once, right? So I hope that was helpful, right? As I said, the only thing that I haven't done as yet is find a way to get rid of the duplicate Jim Jones records. But this is the record that has all of the this is the main merge that has all the records in it already. Probably in a later video I'll find out a way to get rid of the other main merges. Okay, thanks.